How to log out of Facebook from all device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of Facebook from all device with just few easy steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in the menu section, simply tap on the gear icons which can be seen in the top right side. And now, once you are in your settings section, simply tap on see more in account center, and now after that a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on password and security. Now here after that you simply have to tap on the option labeled as where you are logged in under the security checks. And now select your Facebook account, and now after that you will see a list of devices that are currently logged into your Facebook account. And to log out all devices, just tap on select device to log out option at the bottom, and once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on select all option, and once you do that, simply tap on logout. And now after that you may need to enter your code to check your email. So simply enter the code which have been sent to your mail, and once you have entered that, simply tap on continue. And that's it. Now you have successfully logged out of Facebook from all devices. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.